In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and unarchive a Slack channel. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, to archive a channel, you'll want to open your Slack application and log into your workspace. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar where your channel list is located. Now, locate the channel that you want to archive. When you've found it, right-click on the channel name and a menu will pop up. From there, choose the option that says View Channel Details. This will open a new window with some options for that channel. In this new window, switch over to the Settings tab. You should see a variety of settings related to that channel. Scroll down until you find the option that says Archive Channel for Everyone. Click on that option and it will prepare to archive the channel. You'll then see a confirmation window appear. This is a final step to ensure that you really want to archive the channel. If you're sure, go ahead and click the red button that says Archive Channel. After you do this, the channel will disappear from your main sidebar list, effectively removing it from your active channels. Now let's move on to the second part, unarchiving a Slack channel. The process is just as straightforward, but involves a few different steps. Start by hovering over or clicking on the Channels section header in your left sidebar. You'll notice a 3 dots icon next to it. Click on those dots and select Browse Channels from the drop-down. When the channel directory page opens, you'll see a filter button. Click on that filter and it will allow you to choose different types of channels. You'll want to change it from All Channels to Archive Channels. This selection will help narrow down the list to only the channels you've archived. Once you've switched to Archive Channels, you should see a list of channels that you've previously archived. Browse through this list and find the specific archived channel you want to restore. Click on it to open the archived view. After you've opened the desired channel, you'll see the channel name located in the top left corner. Click that to access its header menu. Now navigate to the Settings tab again. In this Settings menu, you should find the option that says Unarchive this channel. Click on that, and just like that, the channel will instantly be restored. It will reappear in your active channels list, allowing you and your team to jump back into the discussion seamlessly. And that's it. Archiving and unarchiving channels in Slack is an easy way to keep your workspace organized. I hope this guide helps you manage your Slack channels better. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.